the solution lies in the with the education ministry in Delhi. The student will not do all these things unless there is a problem. Where is the problem? How to overcome the problem? The union ministry, the union education ministry have to look into this seriously, because no student want to lose their academic career for the sake of betterment of Nehu. They went to Nehu to pursue this study, to get the better education, to get the good education, and to get their degree. But what compelled them to oppose the administration of the Nehu? There must be a ground which the union ministry should step in. Yes, we have seen that the VC have taken the leave, but leave will not do. Yes, we have seen that the union government have formed the 3-member committee to go into the affairs of Nehu, but we don't know what is the report. But if this thing happen, there will be a great loss to the student of the state, to the student of the Northeast who pursue the study in Nehu. Not only Northeast, we know that Nehu is a premier institution in the country, and from outside the state also many students come to Shillong, come to Nehu to pursue the study. But with this stalemate, which nobody gained, but in fact the student lost. So I urge the union education ministry should listen to the voice of the student, to the voice of the people, and step in and do a corrective step, so that the student, the academic of the education of the student, the academic calendar will not be disturbed. As I said before, we don't know now who look after Nehu, and on what authority those who are looking after Nehu, and what authority they are looking also, we don't know. And what is the status of VC? We don't know. What is the status of registrar? We don't know. What is the status of acting VC? We don't know. So clarity should be there. This only the union ministry, education ministry should step in and with the corrective measure.